Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Okay, so in this video today, we're going to be making a floral arrangement using this birdcage that I thrifted from the Salvation Army with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now, I did use a spray can of paint that I had in my stash, and that can of paint I purchased at Dollar General. Now, we're going to go ahead and open this up, and then we're going to go ahead and put this together along with the florals. Remember that you can interchange the florals with any colors, but the ones I had handy were white, which is mostly what I buy. Okay, so this is part of a collaboration called the 12 Days of Christmas, and we are the Christmas Queens, guys. So this is being hosted by Glam Elegant Living, and we also have some co-hosts, beautiful co-hosts, and I'm going to be linking them down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and head on over to that playlist, guys, because you will not be disappointed with ideas for your Christmas holiday. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music while I go ahead and cut all of these roses that we're going to use to embellish that birdcage. So I'll see you at the end of this. So now here's some tips for the Christmas holiday. This is normally a very stressful time of the year, and so what we want to do is we want to write down who are we gifting. We also want to write down what we're making. You know, a lot of these gifts can be made by hand, DIYs, and they can really come out beautiful, and the prices on the outside are so expensive that we do have to find budget-friendly ways in order to gift some items. Now, we also want to find some times of pause where we can kind of regroup, re-energize, and take care of ourselves. So we want to make sure that we're eating right, resting right, planning ahead, because planning is the key, guys, to all things. Now, I feel personally that Christmas has been so commercialized that I am very careful of what I gift, and I usually try to give, whether it's a DIY item, handmade item, with maybe some baked goods or something that that person likes to eat. I think that helps me a lot because it helps me to give them something that I made with my own two hands. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and all of the co-hosts for hosting this collaboration. I absolutely love the 12 Days of Christmas, and I'm having a lot of fun doing it. Just so you know, you can make this arrangement for absolutely any occasion. This is the way I'm going to use it to decorate during the holidays because these are my favorite colors. You can alter these any way you want. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys, and look how beautiful. I think we did a beautiful job on a budget, and this is absolutely gorgeous. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.